You have been repeating the same method of saying that it's raining heavily, it's raining heavily, it's raining heavily all the time. But from now onwards, change it and replace them with. The first one is, it's pouring down. That means it's raining heavily. The second one is, it's bucketing down. And the third one is, it's raining cats and dogs. What? Cats and dogs? Yeah, that's what I thought when I heard it for the first time. It sounds like it's raining cats and dogs from the sky, but it's not. Whenever it is, it's raining cats and dogs, that means it's raining heavily. See you in the next video.